is on the turn and it is just so refreshing. Spring is officially here, but up in the northeast it's not consistent, shall we say. We've got the power drill and we have a fringe, if you didn't already notice. Yeah, it's that way.
Yeah.
So me and Tallulah are heading...
Yeah, me. You're talking about that.
So we are just heading to the allotment now. Let's see what's been happening. I did plant some garlic, so I'm really excited to see how that's been going on. I am also currently in the middle of a huge launch. I'm launching my own fashion brand clothing company. So I've been to Morocco for a few days, been to Egypt in between. There's been lots going on, and someone has done that. That is so amazing. Literally the first thing that I have grown at the allotment. Garlic. It's over there, clearing out the weeds.
No, I'm making my own thing. I need the weeds out to make it.
Cool. So what I'm going to do today is, it's just amazing how flat the space is now. It means when I arrive, I just think, right, what is the next little job that I can crack on with? And if I just keep doing that, then bit by bit it's all going to be sorted. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to start with some raised beds, just flat ones on the ground. I don't even know what you would call them. Yeah, so let's get cracking with that. It's Mother's Day today. Me and Tallulah are going to go for a nice meal tonight. And yeah, so we've got a couple of hours to just get cracking and give this some love and attention. So yeah, let's get cracking. Let me have a look what you found.
I found this.
And give me a look at that side. Cool.
I told you that digging in the trash wasn't a bad idea.
I'm
No.
gonna plant that in your special little bit.
Yeah.
Honey's trying to help. So we have another bed, which is super exciting. And I've realised that these don't need to be as high, so I'm going to take the two top ones off there and make another two beds. It has cleared all of the brambles and we've cut back this lovely elderflower tree, which I'm so excited to harvest. So we're going to just clear that. And basically this section, this whole section, all of the way up is going to be like two of these, same size, all the way up, and that will just flatten this whole area because it's just very wonky. We are getting there. I'm sweating. It's such a beautiful day here, and yeah, I just feel like very content. Oh, baby one. Oh, that is so cute. Feeling very happy with the progress. And I'm just feeling so grateful that my first ever garlic has came through, and garlic is one of the things that I love the most. So yeah, just feeling very grateful, very blessed. Today is a good day. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, I've got a bunch of videos on this allotment and the absolute mess that it was when I got it last year. And there has been a lot of progress, even though I did sort of come into this thinking that I'd have it absolutely done in a couple of months. Allotment lesson numero uno: be patient, take your time. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, tell me what you liked, tell me what you'd like to see more of, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Mwah!